What is a habitat? A habitat is a place in nature. Plants live in habitats. Animals live in habitats. Some animals make homes in their habitats. Living and non-living things. There are living things in habitats. Plants and animals are living things. There are also non-living things in habitats. Rocks, water, and dirt are non-living things. In their habitats, animals have everything they need. Plants and animals need air, water, and food to stay alive. Everything they need is in their habitats. This bird has found food in its habitat. Habitat homes. Some animals have homes. This baby fox has a home. The log is its home. The baby fox lives in the log. Backyard habitats. Backyards are habitats. Backyards are places behind people's homes. Backyards in the country may be big, and city backyards may be small. Look around. It is fun to spend time in your backyard. What living things do you see in your yard? What non-living things do you see in your yard? After this book, you're going to go on a scavenger hunt of your yard. You're going to record the things that you see. Habitats have changing weather. Many places have 4 seasons. The seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. As the seasons change, the weather also changes in backyard habitats. The weather is warm in spring. Many plants grow. The weather is hot in summer. Flowers bloom on plants. The weather is cool in autumn. Leaves fall from the trees. The weather is cold in winter. Snow covers the ground. Backyard plants. There are many plants in backyards. Trees are big plants. Apples grow on some trees. Bushes are smaller plants. Berries grow on some bushes. The ground in many backyards is covered with grass. Growing plants. Some people have flower gardens in their backyards. Bees and butterflies visit the flowers. Some people also have vegetable gardens in their backyards. They eat the vegetables they grow. Plants make food. Living things need food. Plants make their own food. Plants use the sunlight, air, and water to make food. Making food from sunlight, air, and water is called photosynthesis. Parts of making food. A plant gets sunlight through its leaves. It also gets air through its leaves. The plant gets water through its roots. The plant uses sunlight, air, and water to make food. Backyard animals. These animals live in backyards. They can find food in backyards. They can also find places to live. Other animals also live in backyards. Which animals live in your backyard? There is water in some backyards. Some backyards have streams. Streams have moving water. Other backyards have ponds. Ponds have still water. These people are feeding geese in a pond. Some animals live near water. Frogs and turtles live near water. Sometimes frogs and turtles visit backyards that are near water. Do you have any frogs and turtles in your backyard? Babies in spring. Baby animals are born in the spring. Baby rabbits hop around the grass. Young raccoons play in the trees. Baby deer follow their mothers. This baby deer drinks its mother's milk. Birds in the trees. Birds build homes called nests. Baby birds chirp in their nest. They chirp to tell their mothers that they are hungry. Mother birds find them food. They put the food into the mouths of their babies. Plenty of food. Animals find food in their habitats. Many backyard animals eat plants. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Squirrels are herbivores. They eat seeds, flowers, and nuts. Eating animals. Some animals eat other animals. These animals are called carnivores. Pygmy owls are carnivores. They eat chipmunks and blue jays. Eating many foods. Some animals are omnivores. They eat both plants and other animals. Possums are omnivores. They eat berries and grass, and they also eat mice. Getting energy. All living things need energy. Energy helps living things grow and move. Energy comes from the sun. Plants use the sun's energy to make food. Animals get energy by eating. A woodchuck is a herbivore. It gets energy by eating clover. Energy for carnivores. A carnivore gets energy by eating other animals. A hawk is a carnivore. It gets energy by eating a woodchuck. Some animals make homes in backyards. They sleep in their homes. Skunks dig homes under the ground. Rabbits make homes in bushes. Raccoons make homes in trees. A raccoon's home is called a den. Some porcupines make homes on the ground. Other porcupines make their homes in trees. Porcupines eat parts of trees. They eat bark, twigs, and leaves. Porcupines never eat the trees that are their homes. There are some backyard animals that you may not see in the daytime. These animals sleep during the day. They wake up at night to look for food. These baby foxes are sleeping in soft grass during the day. These bats are sleeping in the daytime. They are hanging from a tree branch. They hold on tightly with their feet. Most bats sleep in groups. How many bats are in this group? In summer, you may see many animals in your backyard. In winter, you may see very few animals. Many animals sleep through the winter weather. They sleep in warm homes. This mouse has found a warm home. Waking up to eat. Chipmunks hide seeds and nuts for the winter. They sleep through most of winter. Sometimes they wake up because they are hungry. They eat the hidden food when they wake up. It's time to go on a hunt to see what animals you can find in your backyard. Happy hunting!